Good morning, children. Today we are going to see how to find the area of rectangular pathways. In the last session, we revised to find the area of a circular pathways. The area of circular pathways can be found by area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. In the same way, now we are going to see how to find the area of a rectangular pathways. Consider A, B, C, D as a rectangular path. A uniform path is to be laid outside this park. The uniform path including this inner rectangle, that is the garden A, B, C, D, we get the another rectangle PQRS. If we consider PQRS as the outer rectangle, then the park ABCD is the inner rectangle. Using these two rectangles, we are going to find out the area of rectangular pathways. This area of rectangular pathways can be found out by the difference of area of outer rectangle and the area of the inner rectangle. Now let us consider that let L and B be the length and breadth of the park ABCD. Here is the length and this is the breadth, and the area of the inner rectangle can be written as length into breadth square units. Here they had given the width. We consider this width as W. To find the area of the outer rectangle, that is PQRS, you have to add the width with the inner rectangle length. That is, here we are having one width and this side also we are having one width. So for the distance between P and Q is W plus L plus W. That we can write it as L plus 2W. That is the length of the outer rectangle. In the same way for breadth, the width is, here we are having the width as W and this here also we are having width as W. Then the breadth of PQRS, that is the distance between Q and RS, W plus B plus W, that is the capital breadth, outer layer of outer rectangle. We can write it as B plus 2W. This is the length and breadth of outer rectangle. To find the area of a rectangular pathway, that is, this is the area of the rectangular pathway. To find out this area, we are using the formula area of a outer rectangle minus area of a inner rectangle, that is capital L into capital B minus small l into small b square units. Using this formula, we are going to solve the problems from exercise 2.3. Fifth one, the figure shown is the aerial view of the pathway. Find the area of the pathway. Here they had given the aerial view of the pathway. That is, the inner rectangle has 70 meter length and 40 meter breadth, and the outer rectangle is given as 80 meter length and 50 meter breadth. Using this, we are going to find out the area of the pathway. Then area of the pathway equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of a inner rectangle. For outer rectangle, we represent the length and breadth as capital letters, and for the inner rectangle, we represent the length and breadth as small letters, that is L into B square units. Substituting the values of outer rectangle length and breadth and inner rectangle length and breadth, we get the answer as 1200 meters square. Therefore, the area of the pathway is equal to 1200 meters square. Sixth one, a rectangular garden has dimensions 11 meter and 8 meter. A path of 2 meter wide has to be constructed along its sides. Find the area of the path. Here, A, B, C, D is the rectangular garden of length 11 meter and 8 meter. We know that the path is constructed inside the garden. Therefore, this is the area of the path. This path is constructed along its sides. And it is given as the width as 2 meter. Using this width and the length and breadth of the outer rectangle, first you have to find out the length and breadth of inner rectangle. Here the outer rectangle capital L is 11 meter and capital B is 8 meter. Using this, we are going to find out the length and breadth, that is small l and small b. This is the small l and this is small b. To find the length of L, inner rectangle length, you have to subtract the width of both the sides from the whole length of the outer rectangle. That is 11 minus of 2 into 2. That is 11 minus 4, we get 7 meter. In the same way, for breadth also, you have to subtract this width and this width. That is, this in this side we are having 2 meter and in the below we are having 2 meter. Totally we are having 4 meters as width. You have to subtract it from 8. We will get the length of breadth. That is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 meter. Using this length and breadth, we are going to find out the area of a pathway. That is capital L into capital B minus small l into small b. We get the answer as 60 meter square. Therefore, area of the pathway is equal to 60 meter square. Seventh, a picture is painted on a ceiling of a marriage hall whose length and breadth are 18 meter and 7 meter respectively. There is a border of 10 centimeter along each of its sides. Find the area of the border. Here this is the marriage ceiling of the marriage hall of length 18 meter and 7 meter. In this marriage hall they are having the border of 10 centimeter. This is the border of all the 4 sides. That is 10 centimeter. And this distance is 10 centimeter. Here also we are having 10 centimeter. Now you have to find out this area of this border. To find the area of this border, we have to know that the length of this inner rectangle, that is L and B. Now another thing they had given is, for the outer rectangle they had given the units in meter, but for the border they had given the unit as centimeter. So we are going to change this into same units as centimeter. That is capital L, outer rectangle, capital L equal to 13 meter. This can be converted into centimeter by multiplying 100. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 18 meter can be written as 1800 centimeter. Same way for the breadth, 7 meter can be written as 700 meter. And to find the inner rectangle, small l equal to outer length of the outer rectangle minus 2 width. That is, here also we are having 1 width and this side also we are having 1 width. That is, we are having 2 width. So we are going to subtract length of the outer rectangle and twice the width. That is 1800 minus 2 into 10. We get the answer as 1780. And for the breadth, we have to subtract the outer rectangle breadth minus twice of the width. We get the inner rectangle breadth as 680 centimeter. Using these measurements, we are going to find out the area of a border. That is, area of a border equal to area of a ceiling minus area of a ceiling without the border. Area of the ceiling is the outer rectangle and area of the ceiling without the border is the inner rectangle. That is capital L into B minus small l into small b. We get the answer as 49,600 centimeter square. Since the sum is given in meter, that is the length and breadth of the outer rectangle or in meter, so we are going to convert the centimeter square into meter. We know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Then 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. That is, if we divide 49,600 by 10,000, we get the answer as 4.96 meter square. Therefore, the area of the border is 4.96 meter square. Eighth sum, a canal of width 1 meter is constructed along inside the field, which is 24 meter long and 15 meter wide. Find the area of the canal and the cost of constructing the canal at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square. Here also, they had given the outer length of the rectangle 24 meter and breadth as 15 meter. And also they had given the width of the pathway, that is width of the canal which is constructed inside, that is 1 meter. Using this outer length and this width, we are going to find out the length of the inner rectangle, and using that outer rectangle and inner rectangle, you can find the area of the canal. Area of the canal is equal to area of a field minus area of the field without the canal. We will get, substituting it for all the length and breadth, we will get the answer as 74 meter square. This is the area of the canal. The second thing you have to find out is the cost of constructing the canal. For constructing the canal, they had given is rupees 12 per square meter. But we are having the area of the canal as 74 meter square. Therefore, the cost of constructing 74 meter square canal is So 4 into 12, that can be written as rupees 888. Therefore, the cost of constructing the canal is rupees 888. Thank you.